What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna take our taillight and destroy it. But destroy it, I mean disassemble. So basically in this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can get all these little components out of your taillights. Oh shit. And in a future video, I'm gonna teach you how to install angel eyes on your freaking taillights. Also, I'm gonna black out all this chrome housing. That's a totally other video. But in this one, it's all about disassembling. Other than that, let's get this started. So this is the passenger side taillight. If you look in the chrome side over here, it's peeling because this has been on for 10 years. And there's 1, 2, 3 screws. That's a Phillip head, so it's a star head. We're gonna use a drill and take that off. Alright, it's gonna be super simple. That's 3. Once that is done, you can kind of pry it off like that. So next what you want to do is take off this gasket. All we're going to do is just pull it out. Next step, we're going to take off all our wiring harness. We're going to start off with this guy. This is our parking light. Just turn it to the left, pull it out. This is our brake light. Turn it to the left, and you are stuck. Fantastic. Okay, turn this to the left. That comes out. Turn that to the left. That comes out. If you notice, everything's already LEDs. Okay, that comes out. Well, that comes out. There's a hook right here, so you want to just push it in and just do that. So the last part is this white tab over here. There's a small square tab in here. You want to push in like so and pull it out, and that's it. That's your wiring harness. You're gonna put that back here. The last step, there's 4 screws, so there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 that you're gonna take out. Keep in mind these screws have a little grommet thing here. And lastly, back here, be sure not to strip it. I'm not gonna bother with the drill here. This stupid whatever. Okay. Alright, so that's those 4 screws. And that's it. That's how you disassemble the outer housing. Okay, so here's our stripped down thing, and that's our crap here. Cool. The next part's going to be a little intimidating because I'm going to use a Dremel and slice through the outer perimeter of the taillight. What you're also going to need is some eye protection and face protection, some gloves, a long sleeve sweater, and sweatpants or whatever that can cover your skin. So let's get this part started. That smells so bad. And that's so loud as well. We're cutting about almost a centimeter away from the edge. Here's basically the slice all the way around so far. The first time I cut this, I sliced through the top here, which is not wrong, but it's still, I made it a lot more difficult than I should have. You want to cut right here, and you want to go down, and then you want to slice all the way across, and then moved on here. That's what I should have done, but instead, you know, my dumbass went this way, but okay, and I also broke a piece off here. I can definitely fix this part, this is no issue, but see how you can actually see through the silver. You want to take this, you kind of just want to like pry it open at different spots. See, there's like a lot of give here, right? That's good. Nothing is attached to each other, especially over here, because this part is actually the most thinnest part out of all the places, but get that separated. If you see the direction of everything, like let's say for example these screws, you want to pull it in that direction. So you don't want to pull it this way, you want to pull it towards you. So as you can see how I just easily took that out. And that's it. That's how we got our unit off. I think I did a pretty decent job for my first attempt at ripping this open. Okay, so with that off, we have a couple screws. You want to use a screwdriver for this. Nothing crazy, because we're dealing with like delicate plastic. The one up here is a little bit trickier. And lastly, we have this one. By taking this one off, we can take off this little plastic piece here. Alright, so there's 3 main components here, and each piece is layered on top of each other. So we gotta start off by taking this one off, then this, and then this one. So with this guy over here, you can try and pull it out. Oh, okay. Make sure the top of this lens does not get damaged. So we're gonna put this down. We're gonna grab a plastic bag, and we're just gonna leave it on top of that. So we're gonna put this right there. This guy is held by a tab over here. So if we try to pull it, it doesn't want to come out. But if I pull the tab this way, okay, there you go. This is the housing for the reverse light and your signal light. So we're gonna put this back there. We're gonna take off this lens over here. Pop that out. Do not touch this with your hands at all. This is very soft plastic. Okay, so put that here. We're gonna put this somewhere else. The final piece is the most trickiest and the most sketchiest one. But from what it looks like, there's 4 tabs that's holding it down. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 tabs. You might want to take a little flathead like this and try to pry it open. Just try not to break anything. Who in the right mind designed this? See, he doesn't want to. Oh, I think I got it. Wait. Okay. That was difficult. I'm gonna look for a better way to pull that out, but I managed to take out the lens, which is still fine because I gotta take off these lenses anyways. Oh my god. Alright, so how do we take these 2 lenses and the little diffuser over here? The lens is easy, so it's held by one tab here. Okay. That side goes up there. This one over here. There you go. So the best way is to put pressure here and then use as leverage this way. That way you can just pop this right off. Diffuser is, you know, just a screw on the back over here. Okay, so you take that off and it's simply just grab it and you pull it. The lens looks kinda yellow. Yeah, that's that. So the red lens that we got earlier, we're gonna take this out again. Alright, so to remove this red lens, there's a tab over here at the top. What you want to do is just stick a flathead screwdriver in, pry it out, back and forth. There you go. Okay, now with that out, you can just pull it. This one you want to store inside here. Okay, there's a little diffuser in here. We're going to remove that. Okay. There's 2 lenses, right? There's a big lens and then there's a small lens. So one diffuser is longer than the other. So to know which one's which, the smaller diffuser goes with the small, the bigger diffuser goes with the big. Cool. Alright, so our final lens piece, put it upside down right here. We're just gonna pop it. See how I have this open here? Pull it right here. You're gonna pop it up. And this is how you separate your final chrome piece from your lens. If you like my channel, consider subscribing, show me some love. I'd really appreciate it. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.